Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex investing topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to use Wealthfront buckets, a game changer for organizing your investments and reaching your financial goals. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more tips like this. First things first, what exactly are Wealthfront buckets? Think of them as digital compartments in your investment portfolio. Wealthfront, a leading robo-advisor, lets you divide your money into separate buckets based on specific goals, like saving for retirement, an emergency fund, or even a dream vacation. This keeps everything neat and tailored to your risk tolerance and timeline. Why should you care? Buckets make it easier to track progress, manage risk, and avoid the stress of a one-size-fits-all approach. For instance, you might want a conservative strategy for short-term goals and something more aggressive for long-term ones. Let me guide you through the basics. Start by logging into your Wealthfront account. It's straightforward and secure. Once in, navigate to the Invest tab and find the Buckets section. Click Create Bucket and give it a clear name, like Retirement 2050. Next, choose your investment style from the options provided, based on your goals and risk level. Now, fund your bucket. You can transfer money from your linked bank account or allocate existing Wealthfront funds. Wealthfront's smart algorithms will handle the investing, automatically rebalancing as markets change to keep you on track. Finally, keep an eye on your buckets via the dashboard. It's user-friendly, with real-time updates on performance and goal progress. Regularly reviewing helps you make adjustments as needed. There you have it. Using Wealthfront buckets can transform how you manage your money. Give it a try and watch your financial plans come to life. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more investing insights. See you next time.